Hello friends, and welcome once again to our Kikuyu lessons in our Let's Practice Kikuyu Tujifunzeni Kikuyu Nitwirutei Kikuyu session. In today's session we are going to look at numbers in Kikuyu. This is Boniface once again, Boniface for Kikuyu, and I welcome you to today's lesson. So Nabasiage Kikuyu or Kikuyu. Now, one thing you need to note is that these numbers are exactly like they are in English language. So there's 0 to 9, 10 to 99, 100 to 999, 1000 and above. And all of those ones look the same, at least in the character form. Only the words are different, like we are going to see. For example, 0 in English is Kifogo, in Kikuyu or Noti. Noti is the one that is most commonly used today. Kifogo has been dropped over time, so use Noti. 0 is Noti. 1 is Imwe. 2 is Igere. 3 is Idato. 4 is Inya. 5 is Idano. Note how I'm pulling the R. It's like a double R there. It's Idano. So once again, 0 is Noti. 1 is Imwe. Igere. Idato. Inya. Idano. So 0, Noti, Imwe, Igere, Idato, Inya, Idano. Moving on, we go to number 6. Idadato. 7, Mugwaja. Inyanya is 8. Inyanya. 9 is Keda. So once again, 6 is Idadato. 6 is Idadato. 7 is Mugwaja. 8 is Inyanya. 8 is Inyanya. 9 is Keda. So Idadato, Mugwaja, Inyanya, Keda. Now we go to 10, it's Ikomi. So quickly 1 to 10 is Imwe, Igere, Idato, Inya, Idano, Idadato, Mugwaja, Inyanya, Keda, and Ikomi. Now note that Ikomi can also represent 1/10. That's place value. A value of tens is Ikomi. So if you have a group of tens, if that group is 1, that is there are 10 items, then that is Ikomi. So that if we have 10 items plus 1, which is 11 in English, in Kikuyu it becomes Ikomi na Emwe. You know, that is 10, a group of 10 plus 1, Ikomi na Emwe. So if you know your 1 to 10, then you will know your 11 to 20 because you just add Ikomina to your numbers. So that if it's 12, it's Ikomina Igere. So it's literally 10 and 2, or 10 plus 2. So you go on like that until 19. If we can maybe go back to where we had our numbers. If we add 10 to 1, we get Ikomina Emwe, that is 11. 12 will be Ikomina Igere, that in will be Ikomina Idato. Ikomina Inya. Ikomina Idano will be 15. Ikomina Idadato. Ikomina Mugwaja. Ikomina Inyanya. Ikomina Keda, and that is how you do your 11 to 20. So again, 11 is Ikomina Emwe, 12 is Ikomina Igere, 13 ikumi na ithatu, 14 ikumi na inya, 15 ikumi na ithano, 16 ikumi na ithathatu, 17 ikumi na mugwanja, 18 ikumi na inyanya, 19, which is what we have here, is ikumi na kenda. Okay, good. What happens when we go to 20? Now that's 2 tens. 20 is 2 tens. That is 10 plus 10. So when we have 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens and above, we do not use ikumi igiri. No, we say 2 tens is mirogo. We use the word mirogo. You know, mirogo iri. Mirogo iri becomes 20. So we say that 10 ikumi represents tens. That's place value. But when we have 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, like this one is 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and 5 tens, 6 tens, etc., we use the word mirogo. Mirogo. As we are going to see, for example, 20 is mirogo iri. Mirogo iri. 30 mirogo itatu. Mirogo itatu. 40 mirogo ina. Mirogo ina. Good. So let's see. 20 mirogo iri. 21 mirogo iri na imwe. If you go to 22, mirogo iri na igiri. Mirogo iri na ithatu is 23. Mirogo iri na inya will be 24. Mirogo iri na ithano 25. Mirogo iri na ithathatu 26. Mirogo iri na mugwanja 27. Mirogo iri na inyanya 28. Mirogo iri na kenda 29. 30 or 30, that is mirogo itatu. Mirogo itatu. So 31 mirogo itatu na imwe, 32 mirogo itatu na igiri, 40 mirogo ina. Mirogo ina. So 30 mirogo itatu, 40 mirogo ina, 41 mirogo ina na imwe, and so on until 50, which is mirogo itano. Mirogo itano na imwe. Mirogo itano na imwe, literally 50 and 1. Then and so on until mirogo itandatu, which is 60. Mirogo itandatu na imwe, 61, and so on until 70. Mirogo mugwanja. Mirogo mugwanja, 70 is mirogo mugwanja. So 71 will be mirogo mugwanja na imwe. 72 mirogo mugwanja na igiri, etc. until you get to 80. 80 mirogo inana. 81 mirogo inana na imwe. Mirogo inana na imwe. 89 mirogo inana na kenda. When you go to 90, mirogo kenda. Mirogo kenda. So this mirogo kenda na imwe, 91, all the way to 99, where we have mirogo kenda na kenda. What about 100? 100, that is next time's lesson. So a quick recap for those who would like me to do it in Swahili. Let me just go back quickly to the beginning. So vile tunasema ni kwamba namba za Kikuyu ni kama tu za Kizungu ama English, na pia ni kama vile za Kiswahili. 0 ni noti. Kwa Kikuyu sufuri noti. 1 imwe, 2 igiri, 3 ithatu, 4 inya, 5 ithano, 6 ithathatu, 7 mugwanja, 8 inyanya, 9 kenda, 10 ikumi. Na ujue ya kwamba unapoona jina 10 inaweza kuwa ni 11, that is 9 10, ama ni kikundi cha 10. Kwa mfano 11 itakuwa ni 10 kuongeza 1 kwa Kikuyu. Kwa hivyo 11 ni ikumi na imwe, kama tu Kiswahili 11. Kiswahili 11. Kwa Kikuyu ikumi na imwe, you know. Ikumi na igiri 12, ikumi na ithatu 13, ikumi na inya 15 na 4, sorry, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18, 19, ambayo ndio tuko nayo hapa ni 19 ni 19. 20 mirongo iri in Kikuyu 20 is mirongo iri. So tuko na mirongo iri na imwe 21, mirongo iri na igiri 22, mirongo itatu 30, mirongo itatu na imwe 31, mirongo ina 40, 41 mirongo ina na imwe, 50 mirongo itano, 51 mirongo itano na imwe, 60 mirongo itandatu, 61 mirongo itandatu na imwe, 70 mirongo mugwanja, 71 mirongo mugwanja na imwe, 80 mirongo inana, 81 mirongo inana na imwe, 90 mirongo kenda, 91 mirongo kenda na imwe, 99 mirongo kenda na kenda na 100. Je, hiyo tutaona